Hey, and welcome to Alt One. So I have now just had a live session where I trade binary option. You can follow my live sessions simply by just make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and you will see I'm trading every Monday till Friday live. This week, all over, have not been that good. I think all through the week I just made $400. So, but still, this is considered a terrible week for me, and a terrible week for me is still profit. So, but yeah, this is thing. This is a disclaimer. Binary option is very difficult. I have been trading live now for 1 year and 9 months, and you can see even I can have a bad week. But it's good for you to see that this is not something dancing on roses all the time. It's good for you all to see that this is the reality. Uh, and everything I do live, so everything is documented. It's like you can see many YouTubers that will go in, that will show you that they build accounts from $5 to 100,000 and all this bullshit. They will have the 100% strategy that they never lose a trade. All this is just rubbish. This is just to get you to sign up with their affiliate link, and they basically most of them they set up this way so they make money when you're losing money. I try to do things different. I try to be open to show you the real reality of trading binary option. Yes, we make money, that is true. This account you see up there, I have been trading live now for 1 year and 9 months, and I started with $100. So they want to show you that it's possible, but you need to stick to it, stick to the strategy, never use martingale, trade constant, and yes, you will make money. Talking about that, yes, I also have a affiliate link. I do not make on your losses, I make on every single trade you do. That is how it's set up for me. So you find a link below the video, and you will see that you also have a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. The reason the broker can give you 200% on your first deposit is because they know just 5% or less than 5% actually make money with binary option. That's why they can do that. Okay, so it's a way they want you to deposit as much as possible because they know that you probably will lose it. Now, but if you stick through me and you stick me together with me through thick and thin, like for example, if you started to follow me, for example, this week, you would think like, oh, why follow him? He made almost nothing this week. That's the thing. You will have weeks like this. But do you know what? If you the first week you're trading binary option, you manage to go a little in profit after a week, trust me, that is amazing. Because the thing is that typically when you start trading binary option, you lose everything in 1 week. You probably use it in 1 day. But if you stick together with me and you learn how to trade together with me, and you get in the mentality that I will learn you to stick to a plan, stick to the trading, don't use martingale, trade smart, find the areas to trade, and you stick to one strategy all along, then you will start to see that you will start to make money, not from week to week, but from month to month. Because when you start to trade properly, you will make money, okay? So let's now take a look at the trades today. I did not run a binary option robot today. Reason for that is that I really want my own robot up and running because I know it will be better. So there will be not a competition between me and robot today. Sorry for that. But next week I'm planning to come back to this series where I'm trading against a robot. So my live session against a robot trading session. So I think that is cool. So taking a look at the trades I did today, you can see I stuck to only the $100 trades. I won 1, 2, 3, 4 trades out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically today is a 50% win rate. So in that case, as I don't get 100% on each, basically I have $28 in minus, but as I get some cash back up here, we collect that. I made myself a sick $2 profit today. So yeah, but do you know what? I take it. $2 in a Friday. I don't even know what to buy. I think it's so many options when you earn so much money. uh, all kidding aside, I think it's good for you to see that binary option is not easy, but I really hope that if you stick together with me, you learn the mentality of trading, to stick to a plan, never give up. You can then do like I have done, build account from $100 to this amount. And yes, this have taken me 1 year, 9 months, only so now. So, but here also, I don't go crazy because I do have some issues. And that is, for example, you see I trade with $100 on account like this. I should have traded with like 1,000 or even more than 1,000. So problem is that if I start to trade with more, what I can say, I lose a little my mind, and I'm scared to do mistakes if I go too high. With this amount, I trade with no problems at all. I don't even have any issues trading with $100. I trade without even thinking. So you will need to find the level where you can feel comfortable about trading. Okay. If you start to be super scared when you're trading, that means you're trading with maybe too high money. Okay, so try to find the level where you can trade without any problems, without any worries. Because if you have the feeling that you're losing everything you have in a trade, then you're trading too high. So find the level that you feel comfortable. My level is $100 and I can take it up to 200. Sometimes you'll see, I can go back here, we can see, if I did that, here you can see, if I start to have a little bad, like you see here, I got 2 losers in a row here, then I can go up to 200, then I keep it to 200 the rest of the live session. But I never go above 200. The reason I go up to 200 because I know my level is that I win 7 out of 10 trades. This is something, it's not taken not from week to week, it's not from day to day, this is taken from month to month, because this is the level I am on. So I know that if I keep to my strategy, I know that if I go up to 200, I'm good. But why I don't jump up to 400 later is because then you're talking martingale. I don't do martingale. Okay, so don't confuse that I go up to 200 once in a while. With martingale, have nothing to do. It's just me keeping my level. I know that my win rate, and then I know that I will make money later on if I do that. So I talked a lot this, but I think it's important so you understand how binary option works. This is not only binary option, this is Forex also. Forex is the same thing. You need to keep to one strategy and you need to be cold-minded so you don't do mistakes, okay? So with that, I hope I see you on Monday. I hope you can give me a like on this video. If you stick this long in the video, congratulations to you. That means you might be successful in binary option. Have an amazing day.